Hello students, welcome to my microclass. Today, we will introduce the barcode application system, selection of barcodes reader. How to choose the right reader is a comprehensive problem. Currently, there are many manufacturers engaged in the development of barcode technology products internationally. There are also many kinds of barcode readers available for users to choose. In general, when developing a barcode application system, you can select a barcode reader by considering the following aspects. 1. Scope of application. Different barcode readers should be selected when barcode technology is applied in different occasions. Developing barcode warehouse management system. It is often necessary to count the goods in the warehouse. The barcode reader should be portable and can temporarily store the inventory data, and not limited to using it in front of a computer. Therefore, portable barcode reader is more suitable. This reader can collect information at any time for computer analysis and processing. When using barcodes to collect information on the production line, barcode readers are typically installed at fixed locations along the production line, and the components on the production line should keep a safe distance from the barcode reader. In such situations, select non-contact fixed barcode reader is more suitable, like laser gun type. In meeting management systems and corporate attendance systems, slot-type barcode reader is available. People who need to check in, swipe the barcode printed ID through the reader slot. The reader automatically scans, provide a reading success signal, enable real-time automatic check-in. Of course, for certain specialized applications, specialized barcode readers can also be developed to meet need. Point 2. Decoding range. Decoding range, it is another important index of the selection of barcode reader. Currently, the decoding range of barcode readers that are available on the market varies greatly. Some readers can recognize several encoding schemes. Some scanners can recognize over a dozen different encoding systems. As introduced in Part 1, the corresponding code system should be selected when developing a barcode application system. While configuring the barcode reader for the system, the reader should be capable of correctly decoding the code symbol. The logistics sector frequently utilizes the EANUPC code. In blood source and blood bank management systems, physician's practice license, blood donation certificate, blood bag label, and the laboratory test tubes labels carry barcodes. On the work permit and blood bag labels, you can choose CodaBar or 39 barcode. And the test tubes have a small diameter. A high-density barcode should be selected, such as Interleaved 205. When configuring such a management system with readers, the reader must be capable of reading CodaBar or 39 barcode. It can also read Interleaved 205 barcodes. Within the postal and telecommunication system, China currently uses the Interleaved 205 barcode. Generally speaking, barcode reader as a commodity. All have a capability to read multiple encoding systems. When selecting, ensure it meets the requirements. Point 3. Interface capability. High interface capability of reader is an important indicator to evaluate the function of the reader. It is also a key consideration when selecting a reader. Currently, barcode technology has a wide range of applications. There are many kinds of computers. When developing application systems, the process typically begins with establishing the hardware system environment, then select a barcode reader suitable for the environment. This requires the interface method of the select reader, complies with the overall requirements of the environment. Interface method of barcode reader. There are several types as follows. 1. Serial communication. When using small and medium-sized computer systems or data collection site, when the distance between the computer and the device is relatively far, available via serial port, realize the communication between the barcode reader and the computer. Due to the system configuration of the aircraft model, the difference is that the protocols for serial port data communication are also different. Therefore, the selected reader should have the function of setting communication parameters. 2. Keyboard emulation. Keyboard emulation is achieved through the computer's keyboard port, the barcode information collected by the scanner, a type of interface for computer. It is also a common method. Computer keyboards come in various forms. Therefore, if you choose keyboard emulation, the type of computer in the application system should be noted. At the same time, check if the selected scanner matches the computer. 4. Requirements for first read rate. The first reading rate is a comprehensive index of the barcode reader. It is related to the printing quality of barcode symbols, design of decoder, and performance of photoelectric scanner. There is always a certain relationship. In some areas, a handheld barcode scanner can be used. Control the repeated scanning of barcode symbols by humans. The requirements for first read rate are not too strict at this stage. It is merely a measure of work efficiency, and in industrial production, automated warehouses, and other applications, which requires a higher first read rate. The barcode symbol carrier moves along the automatic production line or conveyor belt, and only one opportunity to collect data. If the first read rate does not reach 100, data loss may occur, causing serious consequences. Therefore, in these application fields, select a barcode reader with high first read rate, such as CCD scanners. 5. Effective barcode symbol length. Barcode symbol length is a factor to be considered when choosing a reader. Some photoelectric scanners, due to the influence of manufacturing technology, specifies the maximum scan size, such as CCD scanners, mobile light speed scanners, etc. This limitation exists in some application systems. The length of the barcode symbol varies randomly. A miniature version of a book, product packaging, barcode symbol length, and other parameters. Therefore, in the field of variable length applications, when selecting a reader, the effect of barcode symbol length should be noted. 6. Price of the reader. When selecting a reader, its price is also a concern. The reader is different because of its function. The prices are also inconsistent. Therefore, when selecting a reader, pay attention to the product's performance to price ratio. Application system requirements should be met as much as possible, and low price as a principle. 7. Special functions. Some application systems are designed for specific usage scenarios, special requirements for the functions of barcode readers. For example, a meeting management system, conference attendees must enter the venue through several entry points. It's impractical to deploy a computer at every entry point for check-in. This is when several readers need to be deployed. Connected to a computer, the information collected by the reader at each entrance, sent to the same computer. Therefore, the reader must have internet connectivity to ensure the computer receives data accurately and process the information promptly. When special requirements are needed for barcode readers, special selection should be performed. This concludes the lesson. See you next time.